empty hearts.
Hey, 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 good shorty, it's my new done. Good shorty, it's my new done. Hey, 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 it's the new day. Ah, 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 ah. Guys, it's a new day, guys. I woke up this morning and had an idea, and I decided I'm not going to be taking my bath. I'm not going to be doing anything, no makeup, no nothing. I'm just coming to you guys to start this challenge. Guys, is all about the fear factor. We need to break the genes of fear factor. So guys, don't mind me. I'm not taking my bath. I have not made up. I have not done anything. I just woke up from the bed, and the normal routine, the normal, almost everybody's routine. I don't know if it's your routine. Immediately you wake up from sleep, it's either you have prayed, if you're, I don't know, your routine, pray, and then head over. Some even don't pray. They just head over to their phones and start going through the internet. Yes. That's my morning routine today. So I went on the internet. I'm this kind of person that loves upholsteries a whole lot. Oh my goodness. So as I was searching the internet, I saw some upholsteries, some bed head, some DIYs that was done with tires. And I said, oh my goodness, my subscribers that I've been preaching fear to. Why don't I do something different? So guys, I woke up this morning and decided I'm going to challenge myself, because as I'm telling you guys, sew this dress, sew this one, it's very easy, it's very this one. In your mind, you'll be like, this person is a pro. So she has already learned. She learns from a very good source. She did, my dear, I'm telling you guys, it's all in the mind. Yeah, it's all in the mind. Because why I'm saying that is, if it's not in the mind, if you're able to, fight fear, you can do anything. Trust me. So I have challenged myself that I'm going to be making some of my some chairs and some beddings. I have never done this before. Nobody taught me. I have never done it before. But I am doing this to prove to you guys that it's all in the mind. It's all about removing the fear from your head. One thing you need to do is, if you try out something, it doesn't work, you correct the mistake that you have made. That's period. It's not more than that. So I have challenged myself that I'm going to make those. So upcoming videos would be me doing DIY of making one chair or the other, whatever, all in the name to remove the fear from you. I can always go back to my sewing, but just to make sure I remove that fear from you. So guys, by the way, I have my shop is not a big shop, it's a container shop. That's where I have my office, where I have my sewing house. So the last time they demolished where I was. Oh yeah, I know. They demolished it and I went to another place, and now the owner of the land where I put my container shop wants to use it. So they have asked me to move. So guys, I will move. So what I am going to be doing, some of the furnitures I'm going to be using there, I'll be making them myself. I have never made this before, but all in the name to make you guys know that fear is a, will I call it a bee? What's this bee? Bass. So guys, I'll be making those and I'll be taking you through all that so that you can follow the steps that I have been teaching you and make any dress you want to. I'm not saying make these furnitures with me. I am just trying to make sure you break the genes of fear from you sewing. Yeah. So guys, I'm going out now. I'm going to go and carry my my container house and put it in another place. New place I'm going to, fixing up the place, trying to arrange all the containers, and also vlog how I'm going to be decorating my fashion house. So all this I'm going to be vlogging about. And for me to make the you don't have an idea. I have tons and tons of pictures of interior decors that I've been wanting, container house ideas that I've been wanting to make, and this is the time to do that. In fact, I'm telling you guys. So I'm like, instead of me to give somebody to make this, why don't I just use this opportunity, make these things, and make these guys know that it's all about fear, that you can do anything. All it will cost me is to go and buy equipment, the staplers, the drills, all those things, and the foam and all that, and start making all those things. It will only hurt me with the monies that I'm going to be spending now. And when I make my mistake, I will correct them and we move on. So I'm going to be taking you guys along, and I just pray you guys stay with me and hang on in here and see your baby girl transform some things into lovely things. Yeah guys, if this is the first time coming across my channel, consider subscribing and hit on the notification bell icon so you don't miss my sewing tutorials. Because on this channel, what I actually do is sewing tutorials, DIY. So okay, what I'm even going into is DIY. So I'm still in the niche. Okay, so I'm into sewing tutorials, DIY, craft, vlogs around designing and all that. So if that's what you want to see, consider subscribing and on this channel to support me, to give me the morale that I need. Your baby girl needs morale. Yeah, guys. So that's all I need from you if this is your first time coming across my channel. Now to my returning subscribers, I hope you girls will it's only girls because it's guys and girls. So I hope you guys will watch this video. 14,000 subscribers. I don't get it. Are you guys subscribed to subscribe and go? Because at least I'm supposed to, somebody that have 14,000 subscribers. 14,000 is a whole lot. Hey. So 14,000, even if they are busy, this one, that one, at least 4,000 should be able to watch my video. I'm trying to understand. I'm trying to work out the math. So if you are subscribed to my channel, always turn on your notification bell icon. Try to follow your girl, see my videos. It must it all be sewing. I must not bring sewing. I have a life. I need to live the life. I don't know. You guys ranted a lot, right? Yeah, so the aim is for us to ditch the fear. So guys, few weeks, few months, I'm going to, go into the DIY and as a beginner, so that you follow me as a beginner, somebody that have not touched hammer before. Hey, in fact, I don't even know the difference between spanner and screw and what I don't know. So I'm going to go into this. So let's ditch this fear together. If you're on it with me, let me know in the comment section so we do this. Oh sorry. I am also doing this video so that I don't get the fear doesn't grip me. Guys, enough of the ranting. Let's go into this. Your baby girl is going into a new challenge. Go into this new challenge with me. Now, see you in my next video. Bye-bye.